Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to add tabs at the top of your page in Google Sites and how to make a navigation. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Google Sites website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you have to use in Google Sites. So here you can see your ad page site right here where you can make a new website, you can make a portfolio project and so on. And here we can see all the websites that we have already created and that we can add. So I'm going to be using this website right here for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And after opening it, guys, by clicking on it, you can see this will now open the website in the page. So guys, let's say that I want to make a navigation right here at the top of the page where people will be able to click at tabs and go to another page. So guys, how do you do that? Well, it's very easy. The first thing we want to do, guys, go right here into the upper right corner and go ahead and click on Pages, which is next to the Insert button. Go ahead, guys, and click on Pages, and now this will open up this new menu where you can see all of the pages that you have in your website. As you can see, we currently have only one page, so we're going to go ahead and add a couple of more. We're going to do that by clicking the plus button right here at the lower part of the screen. Clicking on New Page, I'm going to add a couple of pages, guys. I'm going to name them something random like Video, and I'm going to add a new page called Tutorial. And after that, guys, you can see that they automatically appear right here at the top of the page, where you can go ahead and click on them and it will take you to another page. So yeah, guys, basically that's how you add tabs. But guys, if you want to have multiple pages but you want to remove some of them from the navigation, all you have to do is just go right here and next to the name click on the three dots. This will open up this new menu and you want to select Hide from Navigation. And click on Hide from Navigation, guys. You can see that now they no longer appear in the navigation even though the page exists. But yeah, guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.